Start. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid award passed by the Industrial Tribunal, the Appellant Board preferred a writ petition in the High Court of Allahabad, which was entertained and was heard on merit. The learned single judge, by his judgment and order dated 27/10/2005, dismissed the writ petition, holding that no interference was called for. It was held by the learned single judge that the tribunal rightly came to the conclusion that the workman had actually worked as boiler mistri and had discharged superior functions of the post, which was equal to that of fitter. Mr. Pradeep Misra, learned counsel appearing for the appellant board, submitted before us that the respondent workman was made aware of his status and position through the appointment letter issued to him, making it clear that he had been appointed to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, which he accepted, and had also received all the benefits on the basis of the said pay scale. It was submitted that having accepted the aforesaid position, the respondent cannot turn back and claim for change in his pay scale on the ground for equal pay for equal work. It was also submitted by him that the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of fitter or boiler mistri are much more higher than that of the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, and therefore the tribunal, as also the learned single judge, were not justified in holding that the duties and responsibilities of the aforesaid posts are similar. It was further submitted that there is no evidence or material placed on record to substantiate that duties and responsibilities attached with the post of fitter or boiler mistri are similar and identical in all respects to that of the duties and responsibilities attached to the post of boiler overhauling mechanic, and in absence of clear evidence in that regard, it was inappropriate on the part of both the learned single judge of the High Court as also of the learned Industrial Tribunal to pass an award in favor of the workman. Mr. A.P. Mohanty, learned counsel appearing for the respondent workman, however, sought to justify both the award as also the judgment and order of the learned single judge upholding the award, contending inter alia that from the pleadings of the parties and depositions recorded by the labor court, if it is possible to come to the conclusion that both the posts carry the same duties and responsibilities or identical responsibilities and status, then the tribunal could have and accordingly has rightly passed the award in favor of the workman. In order to appreciate the aforesaid contentions, we have carefully scrutinized the records, including the documents and the depositions. We have carefully analyzed the findings recorded by the tribunal in paragraph 12 of the award. In the said paragraph, the tribunal recorded that the issue to be determined is whether the workman Aziz Ahmed is doing similar work as that of the work of a fitter or boiler mistri. Having framed the aforesaid issue for consideration, the tribunal immediately went to record a finding that it was unfortunate that none of the parties had filed an objective data with regard to the work assessment of the aforesaid posts. The learned tribunal put the burden on the employer to record the job requirements of the aforesaid posts and to prove and establish that they are not identical. The aforesaid findings of the learned tribunal were also upheld by the learned single judge. Stop.